Hey friends, I just wanted to offer a quick tutorial on one of our favorite stretches you can do for anyone just seated like this. First of all, I just put my knees together in their back in a comfortable spot. If you're not sure, then use a pillow so you can have your knees just be supporting their back. You don't want to push them forward, just being there. Next thing we'll do is I'll lean forward. I'm just going to have her reach up and see if she can interlace behind my back. Not everyone's going to be able to do this, but if you can, you find this nice reach here. Deep breath in, lift the heart, and then just leaning back slowly. Check in with your friend. Inhale, release. See if they want more or less. If your knees are in a good position. And then inhale, and then exhale. Try it again. Usually we'll do a couple of these, just pulsing, coming out, checking in, and then doing it again. Nice opening for that thoracic spine. Great if you've been working on the computer all day. Then we'll just grab this wrist and shake it out. Try it out and let us know how it goes.